Morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Friday, October the 27th, 2023. Just doing the real estate tap-in with you. So an interesting article is that the in the Congress right now, they've passed a bill for $45 billion for developers to be able to convert some of this office space, commercial office space, into housing. So I thought that was, pretty interesting. If you've been following me, we've been talking about the issues that are going on in the commercial real estate and specifically office buildings, with people not going back to work or not coming in as often. Also, with the financing and the interest rates being higher now, when these leases and things like that come up for renegotiation, it's a significantly higher price. So a lot of issues when it comes to commercial in general, but more specifically the office space. So this is a way that that the government is trying to assist with this issue. So if you are a developer, and this is not just specific to New Jersey, a lot of times when we come on here, we're talking about from a national perspective. So if you're a developer or know a developer, maybe you want to look into your state and see how to apply for these funds to be able to convert some of these projects, some of these buildings, I should say, into housing. And then obviously with the housing being coming to the market, I don't know if it'll be rental housing or if it'll be for sale type condo units or something like that. But that should help with some of the supply if these are for sale. There are a lot of rental units that are coming to market in different areas, which is good for people that are looking for places to live. They have more of a selection. They can maybe negotiate better when there's more supply, or when the supply goes up. You usually can do that. So and then if these are for sale, going to be for sale, that's going to help some of the low inventory that is out there right now. So you'll start to see that in the next coming years. Obviously it's going to take some time to convert some of these buildings. Just from an architectural standpoint, there are some difficulties going from office space to residential. So that'll take a little time, but just one of those things that I wanted to let people know about. If you are somebody maybe in a couple of years you're going to be looking for a place, and you want something that's more of a townhouse condo feel, there should be more of those things coming to market, whether it be for rent or for sale. So but this is what happens during this time too. Government does step in if there is if the housing market has some issues. They usually try to throw some funds and different programs to help whatever the situation is. They did the same thing back in 2008, the great financial crisis. They send a lot of money to the states to help people stay out of foreclosure. So even if things do get bad, the government probably will step in with different programs to help whatever the situation is, and this is just one example. So everybody have a great weekend. Please go to my YouTube channel. We did a deal review yesterday. Nice little deal, looking for funding for it. We do that each and every Thursday, and we'll be back next week, 12:30 Monday, 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Thursday. We'll go live in the afternoons. People have questions about real estate, the market, situations, problems, want to invest. We'll go live if you want to catch me here on the Instagram channel. And then Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, we go live at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Tuesdays and Wednesdays, we focus in the evenings on answering questions, dealing with problems, issues, people that want to invest, have funds to invest. We open it up for questions, Q&A type of situation. And then every Thursday we review deals. A deal came to me yesterday, ran the numbers, looked good, even paying an investor 18% for the money that they would loan us to do this particular deal, fully amortized within 5 years. So those are some of the deals that are out there that can be structured. Nice house, didn't need any work. So you can always go to the YouTube channel, Abundant Capital Group. Check out, I should say, Deal Review Thursdays. And you can just look for the one from yesterday and get all the information. Do have somebody that's interested in funding the deal, just trying to work it out with the person that brought the deal to me to see if we can make the numbers work. Right now we're probably off a little bit, but we'll try to negotiate it and get it to where we can where it would make sense. All right, so that's our schedule. Monday through Thursday we do 12:30 Eastern time. We go live on Instagram, and then we come back in the evenings. We do a Zoom meeting on Thursday nights for deal review. Tuesdays and Wednesday nights, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, we're on Instagram just answering questions, trying to help people, talk to them about the market, talk to them about the opportunities that are out there. And we also talk about real estate note investing. So hopefully you can follow the page here, as well as follow us on YouTube as well for more content. All right, everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see you back on Monday. Have a good one.